Congratulations on the purchase of your new Quadra-Fire fireplace insert pellet burning appliance. Quadra-Fire has the finest line of pellet burning products in the nation. You can expect many enjoyable years of safe and environmentally responsible operations from your pellet appliance. Please take the time to read and understand the written manual that came with your Castile insert pellet appliance. It contains important information not covered in this DVD. When installing an insert appliance, you have several options unique to insert appliances. Face trim is the most visible option. The fact that you will need to install the appliance with insulation underneath as well as to the sides is sometimes overlooked. Consult your owner's manual for details on insulation requirements. First, make sure your appliance has been properly unpacked and installed, and all safety requirements are met. Pay particular attention to clearance to combustibles, floor protection, venting, and mantle requirements. Check the movement of the fuel adjustment rod located in the hopper. It should slide up and down after loosening the thumb screw at the top. If it doesn't, loosen or tighten the set screw at the bottom as needed. Fill the hopper with fuel and set the thermostat to its lowest level. Then plug the appliance into a standard, properly grounded household circuit. When you first plug in the appliance, a blower will come on for approximately 18 minutes, even though the thermostat is not calling for heat. Open the cast door and locate the heat output control switch. It's on the lower right side of the insert. Switch it to the high setting by pushing the top of the switch in. Right below it is the reset button. The red call light is located on the top of the heat output control switch box. Adjust the thermostat to its highest setting. The red call light located on the top of the heat output control switch box will be on. This indicates the thermostat is calling for heat. For your first fire, it will be necessary to fill the feed system and allow it to begin dropping pellets. Press the reset button once every 2 minutes until pellets start to drop into the fire pot. Then press the reset button one more time. The reset button resets the appliance startup timer and will only work when the thermostat is calling for heat and the red call light is on. The appliance will continue to run as long as the thermostat is calling for heat. The first time you use it, let the appliance burn for approximately 15 minutes on high. Then set the thermostat to the desired room temperature and adjust the heat output control switch to the desired setting. When the thermostat is satisfied, the call light goes out and the appliance goes into the shutdown cycle. The feed system turns off, but an exhaust blower continues to run, burning and exhausting the fuel remaining in the fire pot. As you can see here, the open flame has gone out and burning embers are blowing out of the fire pot. The appliance is like most modern furnaces. When the thermostat calls for heat, your appliance will automatically light and deliver heat. When the room is up to temperature and the thermostat is satisfied, the red call light will go off and the appliance will shut down. The appliance will even automatically relight after a power failure. During each ignition cycle, it is normal to see some smoke in the firebox. The smoke will stop once the fire starts. The Castile insert's heat output switch is on the lower right front corner of the insert behind the door. It has 3 output settings to allow your stove to cycle on and off at a comfortable rate for you. The high setting will run the unit at maximum heat output and blower speed. The low setting will run the unit at minimum heat output and blower speed. When the thermostat calls for heat, the appliance will start on the high setting for the first 4 minutes, then automatically switch to the burn rate that it's set to.